My dear children, today many students are struggling so much problem in part B in your 10th class syllabus. Okay, that's why I am doing the video on part B only. This video is so much important to you. Okay, maximum methods will come in your video. That's why compulsory you should observe this video. Whatever methods I am explaining here, maximum methods are coming in your final examination. Everyone focus on this video. Everyone see the video. Okay. Now I am going to start your 10th class first chapter. The first chapter name is that is real numbers. Okay. In this real numbers, total how many formulas are there? Okay. And which formulas the problems are coming? Okay. That total basics are given here. Now you can observe that formulas are total 21 formulas are there. That every method is coming on this formulas only. Now you can observe your first formula is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to, already you know the formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next a power of minus m. A power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m. 1 by a power of minus m is equal to a power of m. Next a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. Here one concept is there. What is that one? In multiplication, if same bases are there, here same bases are there, you can write only one base and add the powers. Now you can observe here ab whole power of m. Okay, here different numbers are there. That numbers are consisting the same power. Then it is changing as a power of m into b power of m. ab whole power of m is equal to a power of m into b power of m. Again here a by b whole power of m. Here numerator and denominator is that whole value is consisting the same power. Then it will be changing as a power of m by b power of m. Next a power of m whole power of n. A power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of m into a power of n. Next here a power of 0. A power of 0 is equal to 1. Here its mean is any number power 0 value is equal to always equal to 1. Okay. These are the algebraic formulas. Now you can observe here in your real number one most important formulas are there. What is that one? That is the logarithmic problems. Okay, in this logarithmic formulas, now you can observe a power of x is equal to n. This will be changing as in logarithm form. Then you can observe here base is changing as base only. Next this x is changing as right side. When you are taking the right side, that time you will get right side value is equal, that is x, and here the n like that you will get log n base a is equal to x. Next your 12th formula is a power of log a power of m is equal to m log a. Next log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a power of m base b power of n is equal to m by n log a base b. Next log a base b power of m is equal to 1 by m log a base b. Next a power of log b base a is equal to b only. Here also one concept is there. What is that one? Here your base is equal to a, base is equal to a. Here in logarithm also base is equal to a. This total log is as a power only. That's why here a power of log b base a is equal to, that is b. Now here log ab is equal to, you can take as log a plus log b. Log abc is equal to log a plus log b plus log c. Next your another formula log a power of means log root a. Log root a is equal to 1 by 2 into log a. Here you can observe root a is equal to, you are writing as a power of 1 by 2. Okay, root a is equal to, you are writing as a power of 1 by 2. Next your 20th number formula log a base a is equal to log b base b is equal to log c base c is equal to 1. Now whatever base value and here log value, here both values are the same, that time you will get your answer is equal to 1 only. Here log a base b, this log a base b you are writing as log a by log b. Log a by log b. Here one most important formula, that formula is log a base b. This one you are writing as log a base e into log e base b. Here you can observe this you are writing same only. Whatever value you require, you can take here same. For example, log a base 2, log 2 base b. Like that you can write this value you are writing as log a base e into log e base b, or here this formula you are writing as in this form only. That is log a by log e into log e by log b. This log e get cancelled, then you will get log a by log b. This value again you are writing as log ab. Okay, here these are the formulas. Okay, you can observe this all the formulas. The every method is depending on only these formulas. That's why if you are following or if you are preparing these formulas, 2 marks questions and 1 mark questions, means part B questions, are so much easy for you. That's why compulsory you should learn these formulas. Again, next you can observe the methods. Okay. Children, once you can observe here, the last formulas already I given the formulas. On the formula base your methods are there. Children, once you can observe here, your problem number 1 is find the value of log 0.001 base 10. Now you can observe here, after the point how many digits are there? After the point total 3 digits are there. Okay, you can keep in your mind. Now you can start the solution. Log of 0.001 base 10. Okay, now this is a 0.001. This one I am writing as here I am taking this one as 1 by 1000. Okay, 1 by 1000. For this point I am taking 1. Again here after the point 3 digits are there. That's why I am writing here. After the point 3 digits are there. That's why I am writing here. After 1 3 zeros I am taking. Okay, now you can observe here. This 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 means I am taking as here 10 I am taking as power 3. Here also I am writing same like that only. 1 by 10 power of 3. 1 by 10 power of 3. Now you can observe here log of 10 power of minus 3 base 10. Here I am using one formula. What is that one? 1 by a power of m is equal to a power of minus m. Already I given the formula. Once you can observe that one. Here log of 10 power of minus 3 base 10. Again it is in the form of log a power of m base n. Means log a base a form is there. Here it is log a power of m form is there. That's why I am taking minus 3 log a power of m form. After that here log 10 base 10. Here minus 3, here log 10 base 10. Already I given the formula. Log a base a is equal to 1. That's why in the place of log 10 base 10 is equal to I am taking 1. Then your answer is equal to minus 3 only. Okay, here the value of log 0.001 base 10 value is equal to, that is minus 3. Okay, it is your first problem. Now you can observe your problem number 2. What is that one? Here the problem is find the value of log 2 by 3. Log 2 by 3. Here log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Find the value of log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Now you can observe here. Now here your solution is, first this given value you can write as it is log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Okay, now you can observe here. Here it is the base. Here log value is there. Log value is equal to, that is 8 by 27. This 8 by 27 you can convert as 2 by 3 form. How you are converting in that method? Now you can observe here 8 by 27. This value I am writing as 2 into 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 into 3. Here this 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to, that is 8 only. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. That's why I am writing 2 by 3 whole power of 3 is equal to, that is 8 by 27. In the place of 8 by 27 I am taking 2 by 3 whole cube. Log 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. Here you can observe it is also in the form of log a power of m. Log a power of m is equal to m log a. 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Here 3 into log a base a form here. Log a base a value is equal to, that is 1 only. At the place of log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 is equal, I am taking as 1. Again here 3 into 1 is equal to, that is 3. That is your answer. Your value of log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 is equal to, your answer is equal to, that is 3 only. Okay, it is your problem number second one. Next, listen, your problem number third one. What is the value of log 1 base 7? What is the value of log 1 base 7? This value is equal to how much? Now you can observe here, whatever value you are taking here, in the base, whatever value you are taking, if log 1 value is always 0 only. That's why this value is equal to 0. No need to do anything. Here, if any log 1 is there, base whatever value is there, that value is equal to 0. Now your problem number fourth one. What is the problem number fourth one? Find the value of log 512 base 2. Log 512 base 2. Okay. Now you can observe here, your base is the smallest one. Comparing to the 512, this is the smallest one. That's why this 512 you can take as the 2 base form. Now you can observe here 512. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are. Okay. We can convert this 512 into the product of prime method. Now you can observe here 2 1s are, again 2 2s are, next 2 8s are, next one 2 6s are, 2 4s are, next 2 32s are, next 2 16s are, next 2 8s are, 2 4s are, here 2 2s are, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Now you can observe here, your base is equal to 3. That's why you are taking here 2 base form. If here your base is equal to, suppose something, you can take that base form only. Here your base is equal to, that's why this 512 you are converting as in base form. In whatever base is given, in that form only you are taking. Here I am taking log 2, here 512 you are writing as, this 512 I am writing as 2 power of 9. Why you are writing it is in the form of 2 power of 9? Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, the product of 2 in 9 times, that time it will be changing as 512, or 512 you are writing as 2 power of 9 form. Now here it is in the form of log a power of m. Log a power of m is equal to m log a, log 2 base 2. Here 9 into 1 is equal to 9 only. Okay, that is your answer. Next problem, your next problem is, it is important problem. Okay, here we can observe the fifth one. What is that one? 2 square plus log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. This value is equal to how much? Now you can observe here, this value I am writing as 2 square into 2 power of log 3 base 2. Okay, here it is in the form of log, here it is in the form of a power of m plus n is equal to a power of m into a power of n. Now you can observe here 2 square is equal to, I am writing as 2 into 2 into, here also one formula is there. What is that one? A power of log b base a is equal to, you are taking as, that is b only. Okay, so in the form I am taking here, that is 3 only. Now you can observe 2 to the 4, 4 is the 12. It is your answer. Okay, next your next problem is, what is that one? What is the value of log 6th one? Your sixth problem is log p square cube by r power of 4 value is equal to how much? Now you can observe here, it is in the form of log a by b. First you can take here log a by b form, you can take log p square q cube minus log r power of 4. Here I am writing this one as a log a by b form. Okay, is equal to, that is log a minus log b. Okay, log a minus log b, in that it is the form of log ab. Log ab is equal to log a plus log b form. I am taking this one as a log p square plus log q cube minus log r power of 4. Now you can observe here, it is in the form of log a power of m. Listen here, already I given the formula, log ab is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, now you can observe here, these steps I am splitting in that form only. Now it is in the form of log a power of m. Log a power of m is equal to m log a, 2 log p plus 3 log q minus 4 log r. Okay, here it is the expand form of this log p square q cube by r power of 4. Next, your problem number 7 is find the value of log 256 base root 2. Log 256 base root 2. Now you can observe here, this 256 you can convert as a base 2 form. Here you can observe 256. Now you can observe 2 1s are, 2 2s are, again 2 8s are, 2 6s are, next 2 4s are, 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, again 2 2s are. Okay, now you can observe 256 is equal to, you are writing as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 2 power of 8. Okay, the product of 2 in 8 times, when you are taking the 2 8 times, the time you will take, you will get, that is 2 power of 8 is equal to, you can get your 256 only. Now you will do here log 256. This value I am converting as a base 2 form. Now you can observe here log this 256 is equal to, I am writing as 2 power of 8, root 2 is equal to 2 power of 1 by 2. Okay, here your formula is there, root a is equal to a power of 1 by 2. Okay, now you can observe here, it is log a power of m is equal to m log a. Again here one formula is there. What is that one? Your next formula is, what is that one here? Log a power of m base b power of n is equal to m by n log a base b. Okay, now here log a base b, you can observe here 8 by 1 by 2 into log 2 base 2. Now you will get here 8 into here 2 by 1 into log 2 base 2 value is equal to 1. Here you will get 8 to the 16. That is your answer. Dear children, next methods are continuing in your next video. Okay, thank you.